Hey everyone, it's Art of Skin MD and Dr. Melanie Palm, and guess what we have that no one else in San Diego or even Orange County has? It is a new laser called AVAVA, A-V-A-V-A. So what exactly is this? Well, I have been on the search and have even lectured at a national level at our American Academy of Dermatology about what is the newest in terms of laser and energy-based technologies, and really have been looking for something in the skin tightening category. I always want to find something that's comfortable for patients and delivers results, so effectiveness and safety is really paramount. So AVAVA is not a new wavelength. It's a 1550 nanometers, so kind of in the near infrared range. This is the same wavelength as what Fraxel Restore is, and it's very similar to Resurfix that we have in the office called which is a 1565 nanometer wavelength. What makes AVAVA really different is when we are using those two devices, so either Fraxel Restore or we're using Resurfix, we typically are using energies in a square area or centimeter area of the skin called fluence. It's a measure of energy per a unit of the skin or surface area, in the range of somewhere between 35 and 45 millijoules. What's really special about AVAVA is that we can do about 3 times the amount of energy. So typical energies that we're using when we are doing an AVAVA treatment are 120 to 130 millijoules. And you think, how can I put that much energy in the skin and it not be a safety concern or actually be still comfortable for the patient? Well, what makes it very different is the laser beam geometry. So instead of being kind of a column of energy that's being deposited into the skin, instead it's an open ice cream cone. So we can change the depth of that open ice cream cone to either deep, medium, or superficial to gain results in terms of skin tightening and skin quality. So what are we seeing in the trials? There's actually been 2 publications looking at face and or face and neck treatment, and patients rated the discomfort as only 2 out of 10. So pretty comfortable treatment, but we do some special things at Art of Skin MD to really almost make that a 0 to a 1 out of 10 for most patients. And so it's done as a series of 2 treatments. Most typically, you certainly can do more. They're usually spaced about 4 to 6 weeks apart. If we're using it off the face and neck and on the body, sometimes we space that a little bit longer. But what we're seeing in terms of treatment is you're depositing a lot of energy and you get tremendous collagen build. So we're seeing skin tightening in the neck and the face. The same can be used on the abdomen, on the décolleté. I just treated a patient on the arms yesterday, and it's pretty minimal downtime. So people are a little pink for about 5 days or so and a little bit swollen, a little more swollen than just lighter treatments that we do in the office, something like an IPL. So a little bit of swelling. I was swollen for about 2 or 3 days, but not markedly. But you can wear sunscreen the next day, you can wear makeup the next day. So this isn't something like the CO2 laser, which I love to do, but has about 7 to 10 days of downtime and has a tremendous amount of wound care that we want you doing at home to make sure that the skin heals quickly. So what I love about this is I think it sits somewhere between doing things like Fraxel and Resurfix, which help with skin texture, and a CO2 laser. So we're really helping with skin texture, perioral, fine lines, overall skin texture. We're seeing crepiness of the skin improve on the neck, but we're also seeing lifting of the skin. So kind of a shrink wrapping effect of the skin by building in new collagen. I think this therapy is tremendous. We've been able to make it comfortable and it demonstrates results. So again, we're serving it up as a package of 2 most typically, and then patient maintenance depends on the patient, but probably roughly once every like 9 to 12 months, maybe 18 months for some patients. So if you have questions about this really new innovative therapy, and I looked at a lot of different technologies when I was considering bringing on a new skin tightening technology, and I love this one because it's skin tightening and skin texture all in one with pretty mild downtime that I think is quite tolerable. I've had a face and neck treatment myself. Let us know if you've got questions. Contact us at Art of Skin MD, and we're really excited to be the first provider in Southern California to have the AVAVA laser.